Hey guys, I'll be sharing with you on how to start the basic survey for your Discovery Canvas. So a lot of students actually asking me what is the best sample size actually to disseminate your survey. So sample survey is actually the rule, there is no rule of thumb in determining the number, but in pilot test actually what we have learned, alright, you must need to have at least 10 minimum of respondents. So 10 is actually the minimum respondents that you can have in order to answer your survey. So now we are clear about the sample size. Now we are back with the structure. Alright, so for the structure, we have 3 steps here. Alright, I'm just going to brief you about two steps earlier. Alright, so first step is actually you must have like an intro. Alright, so intro is actually you have to start by greeting your audience, greeting your customers, and then tell them where are you from, what is your courses, and then this survey is under what subject. Alright, okay, and then you have to directly tell your audience about the title of your survey, because when I read student survey, actually they don't write the title, and then they don't know actually what they are trying to ask the audience or the customer. So make sure you are really forward, alright, in redirecting the customers. For example, if let's say you want to start, alright, we are students from Bachelor of International Business from University of Wollongong, and then we would like to have your cooperation to have 5 or 10 minutes to answer our survey. Title, alright, how might an apps can save, let's say you're creating an app, can save a lot of can save, for example, nature, alright, from deforestation, for example. Alright, so you just direct your audience the correct questions about your survey. Alright, okay, and then you have number 2 is actually your demographic. Alright, so I receive students actually submitting to me. Alright, they just put only one demographic question. So demographic is really important, because this is the stage actually you actually really want to know who is your audience. So how to know your audience is actually by asking what kind of question. Alright, first, gender. So gender is really important. Some of you actually are doing for gender equality problems. Alright, okay, and then you have age, you have education, and then you have occupation, and then you have maybe the states that they are currently right now living in. Alright, okay, so these are all for the first basic structure. Alright, intro and demographic question. So if let's say you are asking me, Miss, how many demographic questions that we should ask to the audience or the customer? So usually you can have more than 3 questions, alright, to ask. So as long as you really know who is your audience. Alright, so for the part 3 is actually I'll be sharing with you in my next video. So I do hope that you can digest first, alright, the first basic structure in actually doing your survey. So first, the rule of thumb is actually you need to have a minimum 10 of respondent, and basic thing to start your survey is always start with your intro. If you feel like you want to add your logo inside your survey, then you can. And then you have demographic question, which is gender, age, education, and occupation. I think for some students this is really simple, but just in case you need a refresh mind to start your survey, this is the basic question. Alright, okay, and then for the next question, part 3 is actually the knowledge of the user in terms of the problems and in terms of the products that you are currently trying to develop. So this one I will share with you in my next video. So please check and stay tuned with my video, and hopefully by this small chunk of video actually help you in doing your survey. Thank you.